Hello guys, I want to show you how to get free PayPal money in 2019. I mean, who doesn't want fast PayPal money, right? But before I show you how to get free PayPal money in 2019, let us have a look on my PayPal balance. My free PayPal money balance right now is 22,000 euro. But yeah, so I mean, this money means so much to me because I'm a student and normally I earn about 300 euro, 350 euro a month. So the first payment from WHG International Limited, yeah, were about 683 euro, and I mean it was the first payment from them in July. So you will later see how much I earn right now and how crazy this stuff is. So as you can see, I always transfer it to my bank account just to be safe because PayPal sometimes freezes accounts, and yeah, I don't want to mess with PayPal. So as you can see, oh, please ignore this private purchase from takeaway because it was only food ordering transaction. And yeah, so the next payment from WHG International Limited were about 1,000 euro. Still the same month, right? Still the same month. So, and this is so easily to do, and it totally changed my life right now, because the I mean it's you only need to work about 2 to 4 hours a day and you get those big payments, and you see still July 2,346 euro. This could be also US dollar, doesn't matter because they pay in any currency. Yeah, so as you can see, I transferred to my bank account, and the next big payment, boom. And yeah, I mean the payments are now more than 8,000 euro. And as you can see, the last payment this month I will receive 21,000 euro. I never earned that much in a whole year before. So this is just 1 month, July. And as I said, I was a student, or I'm a student, and normally I have a job where I earn currently 350 euro. So this money means so much to me. It saves a lot of time. I mean, it feels safe. I can pay off my loans, and I can spend or give money to my family. And yeah, so this method is quite easy, and of course I will show it to you in some seconds. I just wanted to show you that that my balance is real. So this is a real balance here. But yeah, so I will transfer it to my account, and let's jump to the method. So basically, I created a new account to show you it will work for everyone. And I made a deposit of 50 euro. So yeah, just have a little bit of money. By the way, it doesn't matter if it's euro or dollar. Now we're searching for French roulette. Click the first result. Now it's loading a bit. Yeah, but I will show you how it works. Please keep this method a little bit secret because if it does everyone, maybe it won't work anymore. So as you can see, there are two tables. We always choose the table with the higher limits because we need the higher limits. Basically, what the strategy is about, that we are following a special cycle which can't be reverse followed by the roulette algorithm. So we'll start with the lowest possible bet, which is $1 or €1 in my case, and start on red. Yeah, nice, we won. So we now made €1. If we won, we will choose our lowest bet. This means €1 again, but we change the color. So in this case, black. If we now lose, yeah, okay, perfect. We lose, so we double up our bet, which is now €2. But we will bet for red 2 times now. So red, black, 2 times red. If we now win, we will start at €1 again. If we lose, we will start at €4. So we won, so we will start with €1. But as I said, red again, red 2 times. So red, black, red, red. So now let's start with 1. Yeah, okay. So if we win, we will bet €1 on black. If not, okay, perfect, we win. Alright, so we will now bet on black 2 times. Let's see what we can do here. So yeah, now we lost, so we will double up the bet again. Alright? So after this one, if we win, we will, yeah, okay, we lost, so we need to double up the bet, start on red again because this cycle starts again, and if we lose now, we need to double up our bet again, but it's highly unlikely. But okay, but we did, but it's happens sometimes. So yeah, we can now double up the bet and choose black. If we win right now, all will be good. If not, it might be a little bit risky. But okay, we won. So, alright, now we bet €1 on red again. Right? So right now, we're betting 2 times again on red. And for the cycle, it doesn't matter if we win or lose a bet, right? I think I will fast forward the video to keep it not that long.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive.
So let's see if we can win this. Alright, yeah. So we are at €70 right now.
Even though you try, you still mess up, but I'm still gonna fight for what I love. Still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left, and I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret, cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win. I won't stop till the end.
Yeah, so are we at €81 right now, and I will aim for about €100. Should be okay.
I've been through some injuries, mentally and physically. Studied them religiously, so I don't.
If we are lucky, this could be the last bet to reach €100. Alright, perfect. So yeah, now we should have €100, right? Yeah. Look at the bottom corner. €100. So we doubled our investment in about 30 minutes. So awesome. You can check the time here, by the way. Alright. I think I will keep grinding some hours, but I don't want to record this because it takes a lot of free space, and yeah, we doubled our investment in only 30 minutes. Now I will show you the possible earnings. Hello again. The possible earnings need to wait a little bit because as you can see, I made €1,500 out of this €50, and it's now a couple hours later. Let's see how it goes. I will update you, of course. Yeah, so maybe we can win this bet. I'm thinking about recording it, but it takes up or eats up a lot of disk space. But let's see. And as I said before, this is a solid method, so it works really good. And as you see, I'm now at 1,598 euro and won the bet. Alright, so I'm now at 1,600 euro, and I think I will stop the recording here because yeah, I think it's enough. Alright, I think now it should be alright. It's 24 hours from my last recording, and as you see, my balance doubled again, so even a little bit more. And yeah, this method really works, and it works nearly every time. So I'd suggest you to do it, try it out, and make profits on your own. So, I mean, 4,000 euro is a lot for me, really a lot, and I hadn't that much money before, of course. And as you saw, we started with 50 euro, and it's easy to achieve and possible for everyone, in my opinion. I prepared a little table to show you why this strategy is quite safe, and I will also show you what is possible to earn on a daily or monthly basis. I will also explain the columns, of course, but I think the bet column explains itself, and deposit balance is your initial deposit. So just a change here column means how safe it is you will make profit, and how safe it is to not risk your initial deposit. So to be real, I never had about 9 double ups. Double ups mean how often you can double your bets before you take the risk to lose your initial deposit. So even 6 times will not often happen. 7 times, even less to chance that this will happen. But yeah, it can happen, of course. So I advise you to take a higher deposit and work with smaller bets at first, just to have to get a bigger balance, and then start using higher bets, so your strategy remains quite safe or absolute safe. So you will later see also how small the risk is to lose 9 times in a row. So it never happened to me, and I did about 45,000 euro in profit. I never needed 9 double ups. But to be sure and risk-free, I would be the best to make a high deposit, so you have a very good or an absolute certainty. Yeah, so I also split this table into $1 and $2 bets, because this is what the most people will use. I suggest you to use very good or absolute bets, but maybe it would be good to take a closer look on the certainty, or how the risk of losing is calculated. So as you can see, if you fail 1 time, the probability is 50%, but if we fail, for example, 4 times, it goes drastically down. As you see, the 9 fails in a row is so freaking low, it will likely never to happen. So yeah, just to make it show. I will also link the table in the description. We made basically $50, or in my case 50 euro, in 30 minutes. This means we did about $1 and $1.67 in 1 minute. Let us convert this to an hour. This means exactly $100 per hour. So yeah, but this is only for $1 bet. You could also do it with $5 bet, but then your initial deposit should be higher. So yeah, so this would be the earnings daily if you only play 2 hours. I mean, it's totally crazy, right? And this is only if you bet $1. And this will be your monthly income if you play 2 hours daily. And yeah, as you can see, if you have an absolute certainty, and you play 2 hours a day and use the bet of $2, then you can end up with $24,000 a month, and this is extremely crazy. So I suggest you to not get over 50,000 euro or dollar income per month, so you don't have the big risk to get banned by the casino. I will put everything in the description. Of course, the casino page, the strategy, which I give away for free, and yeah, the table to calculate your own profits. Alright. This was my strategy. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, I wish you good profits and a lot of fun. Bye.